In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a separate calendar in Google. By the end, you'll have a clean, dedicated space for specific events like work, school, or a personal project without cluttering your main calendar. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the Google account where you want the calendar to live. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the Google Apps icon, the grid of small dots, and choose Calendar. This opens Google Calendar in your browser. Once Calendar loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see sections for your calendars. Find the area labeled Other Calendars. Hover there and look for a small plus symbol. Click that plus sign to open the menu of options for adding calendars. From that menu, select Create New Calendar. This takes you to a simple setup page. In the name field, type a clear, memorable title for your new calendar, something like Work Projects, Family Schedule, or Fitness Plan. A good name makes it easy to recognize when you're switching views or adding events. There's also a description box. You can leave this blank for now and fill it in later if you want to add context or sharing notes. The time zone should match your own, which helps ensure your events show up at the correct times. When the name looks good, click Create Calendar. Give it a moment to process. You'll see a brief confirmation that your calendar has been created. Next, return to your main calendar view. You can do this by heading back to the calendar home screen in your browser. On the left-hand side, you'll now see the new calendar listed among your calendars. If it's not immediately visible, expand the sections to reveal it. A quick tip, each calendar has its own color. Picking a distinct color for your new calendar makes it much easier to tell events apart at a glance. You can also toggle the calendar on or off to show or hide its events without deleting anything. From here, you can start adding events directly to the separate calendar whenever you create a new event by choosing the calendar from the drop-down in the event details. If you ever want to adjust notifications, sharing, or other preferences, you can revisit your calendar's settings later. And that's it. You've successfully created a separate calendar in Google Calendar, keeping your schedule organized and easy to manage. Thanks for watching and happy planning.